Everybody, thanks for joining me. I've been a little busy, and I really haven't been doing too much hunting the last couple of months. But if you remember my little video series of detecting a football field, I was looking for a cross. I actually found a cross, and I still haven't got the owner to contact me to describe it. But anyway, it's been about 4 or 5 months since I've been to this football field, so I want you to see why I was in such a hurry to detect it. So within about 4 months, they've taken 18 inches of dirt out of here, and they've hauled it over this way, and that's where I'm going to detect today. But look at that. I only detected from about here all the way down there in my videos, and I got busy with work and a death in the family, and you know how life is. I never detected that side. So, you know, I can only imagine what I've not, dug out or missed, or, didn't have the opportunity to get out of there, possibly return rings to their owners. But anyway, so, that's my deal. Now I'm going to go over here. They've got a huge pile of dirt over there, so I've brought my shovel, and we're going to see if we can dig up some treasures over there. I'm in the heat wave. It's about 100 degrees today, and but I'm used to working outside, so it's not too bad. The only problem I have is I only sweat from my forehead, so it runs down as a sheet, so it gets on my glasses and crap. But as far as like my underarms and everything else, really don't sweat. But I remember as a kid pitching in baseball with glasses on. This was an issue. I was always wiping my glasses off and pitching with muddy glasses. So anyway, I'll turn the video on when I get over that way. So here's a mound of dirt. Evidently came out of either the baseball field or the football field, and I got my shovel because it's not going to matter. It's going to be, let's see, going to be hard digging. Everything's dry, but I got about an hour. Might go 2 hours if I'm finding anything, but I'm going to give it a full hour, see what I can find. So thanks for joining me. Please like and subscribe. Hopefully we can find some jewelry out here. Okay, so she's ground balanced at 77, and I'm going to noise cancel here. Went through 3 times. It was 1 every time, so that's good enough for me. Let's see what my volume is. 21. I'm going to raise that up. No one's here to hear my beeps. Let's see. Search mode is all-terrain low conductors today. I've got the screen wide open. Let's see. Recovery speed 6. Discrimination pattern, it's open. Ferrous limit is on the preset. Oh, there's that stabilizer. I haven't even used this stabilizer. I really didn't have any problem with iron falsing. So anyway, you can see my pattern, maybe. There we go. There's my pattern. It's pretty much wide open. I might run it at I don't know. It's on 14 sensitivity. We'll leave it like that. I don't really want to really dig things super deep unless it gets easier digging. So let's get to swinging. I'll turn it on my first target. All right, so I haven't even moved. I just swept right here. 56. It should be a zinc or thereabouts. Oh, this is terrible. It's out. I see it, I think. Ugh. There we go, crusty zinc. Hey, I mean, I was talking to you right here. I said I'll turn the, camera on when I get my first hit. I swung here, and there it was. So, something else over here. No? Thought there was. Oh. Thir 13, 14. Oh, this sucks. 13 still. Oh, I should have worn my boots. It's a lot of you know, my Predator 31 wouldn't even touch this if I had it. So I think I moved it. Let that be a, oh, there it is. What is that? Oh, I thought it was some jewelry. Anyway, looks like a 7-Up can. Here's a 30-31. I think I was digging bullets out of the football field at 30-31. 27 now. I like that. I like that better. Nickel range, jewelry range, gold range. Yeah, it's 34 now. Get out of there. She's out. 31, 34. There it is. Little piece of aluminum wire right there. Well, let's see. Yeah, that's what it is. Oh, there's something on. Pull tab right on top of the ground. That could have been a ring. Could have been a ring. $39, $36. Oh. Oh. Nope. What was that? $11, $12, $13. Small gold range, foil range. It's small. It's small. Now I'm getting some iron in there. $12. Somewhere in here. Slaw. All right, with factory presets on, so it automatically is saying, you know, where the engineers are saying where the iron range is. I've got the horseshoe on, so I'm all metal, and you can see, I love how the numbers go red when you hit over iron. See them red? Anyway, obviously I can't dig deep here, so I put my sensitivity to 8, and I'm just going to try to get shallow targets right now until it comes up a good rain. 10, right on the center line here. Let's see how big a gold this is. Oh crap. Oh, this is not fun. Not fun. I don't even know if it's out. Let's see. It is out. There we go. Slaw. Well, that's, yeah, it's slaw. Thin slaw. I like homemade slaw myself. Well, I bumped my sensitivity back to 7. I'm getting something here real shallow. You hear the double beep? I don't believe it's 2 targets. I have one nice trace at 35 here. Okay, still sounds good. 35 right here. Not very deep. I'm hoping it ain't very deep. Where is it? Must have been. Holy crap, come on. Holy crap, that's a nasty signal. Did I not even get it? Now where is it? Did I move it? Oh, it must be tiny. Oh, come on. Did I flip it around? Oh, this is terrible. You guys are witnessing my struggle out here. Somewhere here, I think. That's weird. Okay. Come out of there, ring. Shut up. Oh, it's gotta be a piece of crap. Come on. Well, there we go. Right there. That could have been a ring. This thing is deep for having 7 sensitivity. I don't know why I couldn't hit that any better after I opened the hole up. She's gone. I'm gonna put it on on high conductors, and maybe I can eliminate some of the smaller pieces of aluminum. Get down here. All terrain, high conductors. Let's see what I got. I got it open at 7. Let's just, not even going to re-ground balance or anything, just go. I can only imagine what's, you know, hidden in this mound of soil from a football field and a baseball field. Well, less signals for sure on high conductors. All right, here's 63. Probably a zinc or class ring. She's out. In a clump somewhere. Come on. There we go. I think I see it. Zincer. Could have been no, is that a zinc? Yeah, it's a zinc. Could have been a gold ring. Target is a 48. Not very deep. .49, 48, 49, which can be a super corroded zinc. Ugh. Zincs hit, depending on how corroded they are, in the 40s to 60s. .49. Hey, pay streak, look at that coin ball. Oh, it was. Here we go. It was a square tab. Okay, a few feet down the road. 37, 38. Could be another square tab. A little low even for a corroded zinc. I'm guessing it's a tab. I think I moved it. Oh, dropped my pin pointer. Ugh. There we go. Ring pull. So I made it to the end of this mound. I'm just going to go back, wait for a rain. So it's taken me 35 minutes to come down here. I know on the video, you know, through the magic of editing, you can't feel what time it is, but about 35 minutes down here digging crap. Going to go back up. I think I'm just going to call it a day till we get a good rain. I'm getting a 65, 64, and I look down and I can see it. It's a bullet. It's a bullet casing right there. Yeah, I found a lot of these on the football field. I don't know if they were blanks or what, but anyway, I probably found a dozen on the football field. Hey, how many of you guys want to see me get the Vanquish out again? Or are you just stuck on the Manticore? 77, 78? Let me know in the comments, because the Vanquish is very capable. It's actually, to be totally honest, it's easier to swing than this because it's got an S shaft. I wish this had an S shaft where this pole was up here, where the arm came up and down. You have more wrist control. It just feels better. That's how the E-track is. That's how the Deus is. I'm not a fan of this straight shaft right here. Just not a fan of it. Anyway, enough griping. Let's see what is. Oh, come on. Did I miss it by that much? Get out of there. Oh. Out. Oh. Man. Where? There we go. Another zinker. Another zinker. That's right at the top limit of a zinc as far as numbers go. Here's another one kind of in the tab range, 42. Sensitivity still on 3. Oh, it's a little better jigging right there. All right. Get out of there, ring. All right. Let's see. Coin clod. Well, it ain't coin, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, look at that. But those kind of things, guys, could be a ring right there. All right, coach said get off the mound. All right, guys, so I'm calling it quits. Wasn't a very productive day, but I always enjoy getting out. As you can see, I sweat right off my forehead into my glasses, and that's it. So it's getting kind of miserable, burning my eyes and stuff. So anyway, say goodbye to the ball field and stuff, and hopefully I can get out a little bit more, get some more videos up. So please like and subscribe, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, help my channel grow, and I'll see you on the next hunt. There goes my detector. What the heck?